Greetings. Here's a little Jupyter notebook on SQL injection I wrote to give you guys an example of what one can do. This is meant for the CS4560 class that may want to do my project, but stick around. Anyone else that wants to see what Jupyter notebook looks like. So you can see it's a collection of general markup text and code samples, and these are runnable. And via binder, it creates a separate instance for each user. So everyone, since this is a database example, you don't have to worry about corrupting each other's database. So this one's specifically about SQL injection. First example, we do a little query, so it connects to an SQLite database and prints out everything for every employee. And so I do another example where we want someone to only get the employee's social security number or something. So we're going to put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and should come up with just John Smith. Now we have the exact same example, but we tell the user to append or true and see what happens. So we run the example and we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or true. You hit enter, and now you get everyone's information. So you just leaked all this information because of this vulnerability. And so I share this XKCD about sanitizing database inputs. We're going to do another example, where so it shows off, if you check to see that the input was a social security number, 6, 7, 8, 9, or true, does nothing. You run it again. We put an extra social security number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You actually get something. And so these code blocks are editable. You can actually do change stuff. I'm not sure if this example actually involves any code editing. I think everything might be in the inputs. Here's another example where we copy and paste this. Paste, enter. And so you can see that normally this query is going to expect a single department number, like a 3 or something, but we let you use put in whatever they want. So when we put in that string, the actual query becomes, insert into employee value this. The semicolon ends the query and adds an additional query here. Actually, there's 3 queries here. Semicolon ends the query, new query to change someone's salary, and then last one that ends it. And so now if we run this again, you'll see there's a, if we come up here, Joyce English's salary was $25,000. If we come down here, Joyce English's salary is $100,000 because of this update here. So this is an example of a Jupyter notebook, and so these are all just markup, so you can put whatever you want in, in those. Yeah. So that's it. Simple example.